certainly not a good evening for me. Yes, what me I say, and there's a whole heap of things I want to talk about. Yes, what me I say. I normally not say nothing about nothing, but sometimes I want to chill, bro. Yes, what me I say. I'm gonna power tap your life, I'm gonna share up your life. If you can repost your life, repost your life for me, please and thanks. That's it. Hey team, what's poppin' team? Everybody who just join the live.
Oh, I'm back. Chosen, thank you. Chosen and Nikki, Blossom, Mackie, Rosemary, Marley, Aries, Taya, Lady Love. Joan, thank you. My type
How
is thank
strong.
you. Ooh. Onika, what you do?
Queen. Oh, it's nice to meet you. I'd love to see you
Nice to meet you,
again.
N. I'll see you around. I'll see you again.
God bless.
Bye-bye. God bless you, baby. Onika, we are walking so for your play. We are walk just become a super fan. Yeah, play. I'll be on late. That now I know me I talk about. That walk on, we are walk on for my fa. You got smoke.
Hakeem,
You got smoke.
do you?
I want to know if you got smoke.
Do you?
Do you got smoke?
Do you? Do you? Do you? I don't know. I
Best
just got
side of it
on.
come. Best side of it. You just got on.
No, I'm doing the one and done. Is you cool?
Okay.
Let's
I'm cool
go.
with one of them. Try one and done. I could try.
All right, Chad. Whoop us.
Try one and done. First gift. First gift doubles. Try one and done.
Hi, Toronto. Toronto, you still safe, boo? Congratulations.
First gift doubles. First gift doubles.
Time two, Chad. Time two. Thank you for crying.
Let's get straight to it. Can't say you
First
more
gift
so
double
real
shot.
OG. Let me show you how
Dr.
to
Perry.
restore it. Don't let no fake trick flash, no harness. Unless he gon' use
First
it.
gift double
Stand
shot.
on, coming to me as a woman. You know that boy shooting his
Hey, John,
shot.
thank you,
Don't buy him
boo.
a shit. I can turn your main nigga right into a shrimp. Listen me pop this pussy on the
Love
handstand.
check,
You saying
check.
pretty,
Love
you
check,
nigga
love
got a
check,
hit.
love
You
check.
can't pass on, you can get dug. You the type of bitch that a broke nigga fuck. When the pussy lame, when the boy get done, you like. Hope sit down. Hope shut
You gotta
up.
focus.
I be in the bed like a bad bitch should be posted up. Fuck you,
Thank you,
man.
Dr. Perry.
He a dub. I been throwing ass all night. I'm that bitch mad for what? Hope sit down. Hope shut up. I be in the bed like a bad bitch should be posted up. Fuck you, man. He a dub. I been throwing ass all night. I'm that bitch mad for what? Bad bitch, I feel like Maggie. I'm a big old freak. My pussy like fun China shit too good. They coming out cheap. And I love me a nigga that fuck good. Take that shit, I ain't.
Shay, I know what to do. Make her feel like she got it.
Chat, we have a play. Make a tap team. We have a play chat. Chat, we have a play. We're getting one and done, so we gotta play. We're getting one and done, so we gotta play. We're getting one and done, so we gotta play. Chat 1, 2, and out. Ooh, and thank you. And thank you, guys. 2 and out. 2 and out, catch your speed. Chat 2 and out. We need 2 and out, chat. Thank you, Joan. Thank you, Ann. We gotta play, team. Shay, thank you. Rosie, thank you. Man Achievement, thank you. Abina, thank you. Mal, thank you. My Mimis, thank you. Come on, guys. We could use the times 3. Maya, thank you. Come on, guys. Use the times 3. Use the times 3, chat. Come on, team. We have to play. Team, we have to play, chat. Use the times 3, my side. We have to play my side. Come on, team. We have to play. Team, we cannot underestimate them. Score! We have to play a team. It's not look good. Team, we have to play a team. We have to start play. Times 3, chat. Come now, team. Times 3. Should I go wait until them snipe you? Then we start play. Why? And thank you. Come on, guys. Help out and snipe. No matter what post, no matter what Insta Stella, snipe. Snipe. Chatting not too far, bad fam. Chat, we can get some Galaxy and thank you. Chat, we can get some Galaxy. Chat up our globes. We have no globes, team. We have no globes, chat. We have no globes, team. Globes. Going on a globes, chat. Chat, make we use the gloves, chat. Chat, we can use the gloves, team. Chat, we can use the gloves, chat. We have to use the gloves, my team. Use the gloves, myself. We have to use the gloves. And Rosalee. 1, 2, 3, tire, snipe. Tire. Mona. Come on, guys. Snipe. We cooked him.
Come here.
And thank you, Maya.
Yeah,
Georgia.
Thank you so much, Toronto, Cherry, Khadija, Dr. Perry, China. Thank you. China. Ruthie, thank you. Bring it back one more time.
Oh, you want to bring it back?
Yeah, start at 3. Let's do it.
Okay. We cooked him. Chat, we need to play. I told you I'll play. Come. You don't know Rosie. Chat, we got to play. Chat, we got to play. We have to play, chat. Best out of 3. We win. If we win again, we can go. Chat, we got to play, team. Team, we got to play. First gift times 3. Only the first gift triple. Only the first gift times 3. Chat, we got to play. Chat, we have to play a team. First gift times 3. First gift times 3. Everybody have to work on it. Ooh, you're closing my eyes, Rosalee. Come on, guys. First gift times 3. First gift times 3. Chat, only the first gift triple. Come on, my side. Come on, team. Maya, Didi, come on, chat. First, we have no more wheel. Yes, and there. Anybody else can back up and with a local post? Hello, for sure, it's giving lavish. I ate this up like a 6 syrup. How the shit is on those? Let them shut up. Chat, focus. Chat, let chat, but what top now? If a top. Some of the garbage bin is outside. And thank you. Ooh. Chad want 10 Galaxy catch your speed. Chad want 10 Galaxy catch your speed, Chad. Guys, everybody drop. No, it's not roses, it's Galaxy and money gun. Guys, want Instastellar. We can't count down to 10 Galaxy, Chad. Come on, my side, catch your speed. 10 Galaxy catch your speed, Chad. Our 2 posts. Come on, guys. We could break it down, my team. Everybody work together. Show someone catch your speed. We want 10K. Everybody work together and catch your speed, chat. Come on, my side. Everybody work together. We want Galaxy. We want money gun. We want wheel. And drop in. We catch your speed, chat. Come on, my side. Come on, team. We not go half we all now. Catch your speed, no chat. So we can't catch your speed. This not look good our portfolio up. Almost catch it, you know? Thanks, Steve. Almost catch it. Chat me go drop our gloves. Drop our gloves, chat. Chat me go drop our gloves. Chat me go drop our gloves, team. And try pan the gloves. Chat click pan the gloves and show. Me go try pan the gloves, team. Chat, use the gloves, 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 use the gloves. Use the gloves, chat, use the gloves, chat, use the gloves, chat, use the gloves, chat, use the gloves, chat. Come on, my side, if you use the gloves and pass over a lion score. We can't watch them score, chat, if you use the gloves. Put a money. Sometimes I can't bother at me. Chat, we have to try. Track, we have to try. On the gloves. One more gloves, my team. One more gloves shot. One more gloves shot. One more gloves shot. One more gloves shot. Chat, have a play in a team. And we know about that play to us. It's not a good power portfolio, you know. Chat, we no more gloves. Can't snipe. Please. Chat, have a use the gloves, team. Chat, click on the gloves and shoot, chat. If you put some on the gloves, it's not good. Chat, thank you, and Mona. And Mona, Lady Love, Marley. Familia, Carlene, Island, Man Achievement, Lady.
Chat, y'all really let Biggie beat me? For real? Try, thank you so much. Angie, thank you. Ribby, thank you. Cherry, Toronto, thank you. I gotta go.
No, I'm giving you a next chance.
I gotta go.
I'm giving you a next chance.
Chat, what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Hold on. What should we do?
You know what? Go get some smoke and come back. Cause Biggie's gonna surely beat you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Chat, why?
Biggest gonna surely be your ass. Chat, we can't get 10 Galaxy, we got 300 diamonds, team. You chat. Yeah.
How are you?
Hi.
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica. Nice. I'm from Turkey. Oğlum nasıl bir şey oldu? Top the screen guys. Oğlum biz nereden çıktık nereye girdik? Top the screen guys. Hana welcome. Jamaica closing Africa.
First gift times 3, chat.
Guys use triple come on.
First gift times 3. First gift times 3, my team.
Yağmurdan kaçtık doluya yakalandık.
Chat, first gift times 3.
Come on,
All
use
the people have
triple.
gone.
She has 4 win guys. Come on, triple. Terry, thank you. Come on, this
First gift times 3, chat.
Ikea, this battle punishment game. Squat.
Right. Hey boy, come. Hey, the mama this say, yeah.
Squat punishment.
T. We could try chat, boy. Chat, we are at the university gallery. Somebody can love me and buy meat. It alone left in the gallery, the universe and the legend at the tigs them, boy. Like when I run Andra Fire. Chat, we get bombarded them speed high, man. Chat, we can get 5 Galaxy and a money gun, 4 Galaxy and a money gun, catch your speed at one post. Come on, guys, catch your speed. 4 Galaxy and a money gun, catch your speed. Catch your speed, and chat, we want 4 Galaxy and a money gun. I want post. Catch your speed, no chat. Chat, we can't catch your speed. We want 4 Galaxy and a money gun and Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Chat, we want one post. Drop a gloves, chat. Chat, we can't drop a gloves. Chat, we can't drop a gloves, chat. This don't look good. Chat, we want some help. We carry it. Yeah. Chat, we can't drop a gloves. Why? Don't fish out of water. Can't drop a gloves, team. Boy. We're doomed to satisfaction. So we're gonna reach out if we want $10. It's not look power for you know. Wait, I'm feast about the squats. Try to look some galaxy. You FI please.
It looks like you tick up from the last time we seen.
Yeah, you want to tell me me look good, but why you afraid?
You just said you look nice, Tally. That's all me I say, brother.
What time I lock?
So me look nice.
What time I lock?
About 10. About 10 them time there.
No, I cook something.
Oh yeah, I cook.
Saltfish and Irish and saltfish and Irish.
So, and dumpling.
No, I have fingernail, I need the flour.
True, no nourish for living. I come nothing to do for some.
Move.
So me could get some of my food.
Yeah.
So me can come for some.
Yeah.
Rose, nobody tell me say yeah, I know me coming.
I'm not cook it now.
No, it no matter what time you cook it, me I come.
I'm like for people here.
Good thing me live somewhere, you know, me just now cook, you know.
I soon go cook. I don't know Italian.
Me know, man, me know.
I don't want to go buy the salt, the yam, and the Irish. One piece of sweet pepper.
They not about 10 o'clock, man.
I got down already. I can't stand that woman later. Mama, what that one back? Trap me look some trap me look trap me look 9 Galaxy Taurus. I'm gonna look at me, I'm gonna restart. Because I can't get nothing. Trap me look 9 Galaxy my team. I'm gonna restart, go buy my saltfish. My little traffic hours done. Just go buy my. Just said, come here, just said. Go buy my saltfish. Cook my food. I want to put some yam and piece of saltfish. I can't even flour come in a fingernail, but I have some saltfish, so. Trap me can get 9 Galaxy. I wasn't thinking about salt mackerel, but Whoa, Mr. Peep Chat. Let's say some business in a, but I don't know. I don't know about all you all, but I wanna be beneficiary to my own personal space because okay, let me look at this at the top. What is it? At this time, boy, a blood clot reach, you know. Let me see what the stream says. My own personal space to my own personal business. Yeah. No, for true. Some serious things are going on, my dear. Majestic, you can't let me some majestic. It's a soccer bolo, yeah. Chat, we can't get too money going. When I do the in the back of something, I look for bag. Chat, I look some galaxy. I'm hungry, man. I have bean. I have bread bean. Boy, I need a cat. Boy, I need. Chat, we can't get two galaxy. I go left someone over here saying. But I'm going to my HQ. Need let me two galaxy, need that, but I'm going to my HQ. And I can't make a two galaxy and chat will look 9K. Yeah, for sure, I'm going to my HQ. Come and say, I don't know where some of the people them gone. So need to give me the two galaxy. So need to have a piece of tour for GSC, man. Hey, they need coming up. Me need to them put out that, man. For HQ, my dear. So that's why also. Oh, yeah. If I go down that nasty and dirty, try to look 5 more Galaxy team. I get the episode, but I just get the epi, me laugh. Trot. Back to skin. Chat me look 2 more something. Trot me I look 2 more Galaxy. Please and thanks. Actually, this I call me now. You out the door? Yeah. Alright. This land is called Lover's Choice. I'm still going to wipe off. Oh, yeah.
just put it down, pal. Clip up the
Put
sun.
it right blood clot this
I'm
one.
set up already.
I walk on my phone in the night. Oh God. I can't tell her I call my phone. Phone not ring. No, look like I call me. Why am I calling me?
No, we need to get here. So, yeah.
Warmer.
You see it? So I think it up, so. That's all I write. It's always try to unlock it.
Yeah, but none of one around them left when they come back to hurt me.
Well, see if I grow no more. Just grow no more.
Like here at the bar. Where's the mark? Yeah, yeah, but the fee, yeah, me don't want to chat to my business, my love. Yeah, when I chat to them about 5 when I play fee. So we are them. Yeah, good mark. Alright, my baby.
That's it, bro. No, the dog.
I'm not running the dog. I'm not trying
Yeah, man, I'll probably come on there, bro. You buy one scooter from my dad's son and I drop it to you. And then you just sit on the yard and sit and do a late night shift. And when I get back to the place, 12:22, tonight, they must have the rest of the week, I can see us, though.
They're going over the camp and check one way.
Comfortable.
Watch out if you don't, man. You can stay, you can borrow from me. Come now, man.
Go on. Alright, later.
Okay, yeah, phone out. You know, see what I keep. Alright, love you, baby. Thank you.
Alright, later.
Yeah. I know that was the moment of blood clot was to Ross. No. Chat. I try that much of my own. No, I try that much of my own. I call this a blood clot. I'm such a not tap call my phone, you see. I call her. No. Trap me look 4 Galaxy. Trap me look 4 Galaxy. Look. You see it?
No.
You see the scooter box?
Yes.
It come, don't annoy me.
I'm not one that.
One for your brother, don't annoy me. One for you or one for, listen man, one for you or your brother, please do not annoy my phone. When I have the time, I'll come and give it to you.
One dege.
Chanta, you're deaf? Listen.
One cashier.
One for you or one for your brother. Do not call on my phone for it. When I ready, I can't come. You deaf?
Yes. Yeah, the problem is you speak proper English and we are talking and speak patois. That makes sense. Speak proper English, man. Jesus.
First gift time stream. Chat first gift time stream. Sorry, thank you. You hear what she say? I just say, the woman said the pan live, you speak proper English. When you talk to me, you speak proper English, man. Woman, give me a dial. Wow. Man, give me a dial tone. Man, go buy some water road. We go cook. Two roast him. What?
Why you not talking to me? Hello?
Times 3 chat. So you can't pass more on the times 3. Dimples girl, guys, triple. You Andrew, what's up? So use the times 3. Andrew, thank you, baby. So we could use the times 3. Dimples, me girl. So use the times 3, my side, times 3. So we can help out on the times 3. I don't want to put a saltfish, but cooking on them a come. Them a try a thing with a snipe. Snipe chat, snipe. Snipe no chat. Jesus, Father, the man passed me out. We. Miss by swaddling tail, baby. You know, grab steam. You know, grab steam. You know, grab shot. Chat we can't grab. That man is mad. Sometimes I pay my people up on TikTok. Use the gloves there, chat. Use the gloves, chat. Chat, gloves. Snipe it. You know, far if I'm over in a chat, it's not over till it's over. I done it. It's finished, it's over. Done, man, it done. I can't come back from that.
I could come back from that if I wanted to, but I said party is done. And we not going to come back from that because I don't want to. How about that? I don't want to come back.
Thank you, Dimples.
All three of you. Blood clot.
So, man, when them people up on TikTok,
Nah.
You're not funny. You're literally irritating my system.
You irritated my system because you ain't say hello to me when I first came in here. So now it's all jokes. Jokes on you. Think I give a fuck about how many people you got over there, sis? And when I'm done with you, your ass is getting removed from the friends list. You're clipped. You're out of here because I don't like your attitude. I was coming to say hello. You screaming and yelling on the phone. I'm from New York. I speak patois. I know what the fuck you saying. And I got a lot of Caribbean friends. I got the pass. Me blood clot say it all me want. You want to romp with me, star? Backside on you. Thank you for coming out. God bless. Good night, sis.
They're crazy. They're just trying to. Hold on. Oh, warmer. It's warmer. Oi! Move the man. Leave it. All right. I pay my people on TikTok. My like shot. I'm gonna remove if I'm following that make here. him lose, you know, Angel rupture him spleen. I want boxing, but him annoy me with it.
Me a sell, me soon come.
Where you sell?
Time for ear magic back in stock. Yes, me a sell. Soon come.
So I'm not going to hear where you say I promise me for it now.
The ear?
The bungalow here where you say you give me. To promote.
Which ear that?
The 36, the 32 bungalow here where you say you give me the 4 bungalow here for promote for pants.
Me say 4 bongo?
Yeah. 3 bungalows are going to be here.
No, me don't remember that.
You remember? Remember again.
4 bongo. Alright, Rose.
A 4 bungalow here.
We guys out.
My head big, I can't do 3 guys. But I do 3 bungalow here. It's always 4.
So that they with the glue on your head?
Yeah, I'm going to take it off tomorrow.
Tell the people them how the ear magic grow back your ear and go on and come. Tell people them about the ear magic, no man.
Chat, I'm not going to support that ear magic.
You done?
You grow back here. No. They let me know site me use all the while. Chat, I'm not going to buy it. Go on. Come on, like the promotion in front of people, you know. Like, but was like, no, I got too nervous. No, it's true, I like it. That's something I take on the work. No, that's something I take on the work. I like do it in front of people. Chat, you know, go over there when you can go support up on the ear magic. It's true. When I saw my cream on my ear and how my ear catch up. It great for true. Yeah, it great. All you saw up, my ear enough up. Is it great? So it's back in stock when you can go over there go support her. I think I don't know much treat this trip. But you can go over there go support her. It's back in stock. It grow here for true. And where so much people come from? Yeah, it's back in stock. Yeah. Chat, I look at it, you know. No, for true, it back in stock when you can go over there go buy one. For true. Go support her for true. Like me use. Grow me here. Boy, I chat with that. So we can't look 2 more diamonds, but boy. You can't get a match with nobody. We'll go up on Damien. Strat. We don't have no more Galaxy. We have any more Galaxy team? I'm gonna take off this. This is not gonna take off tomorrow. You know, hear myself, leave it. You know, here.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Good. I am working, Yani. Hot dog.
Where you from?
I am from Turkey.
Them the food and them good enough.
I am the clean.
You wanna play a match? You wanna play a match?
Sorry. Excuse me. What did? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Okay.
Match.
Okay, let's go. If you wanna fight, okay. Where are you from?
First give double charge.
Where are you from?
Turkey now.
Okay.
Double charge. Well, you can meet some people in life, you see. How about that bun? Chat first with double. Gram Swan, baby.
Excuse me, ma'am. What did you say?
Double.
Smiles. Thank you so much. Did you say to me something? You not say anything? Why?
You have nothing to say.
You don't like me?
I enjoy your company.
Okay, thank you.
What you sell?
Hot dog.
Hot dog and fries?
No fries, no. Just hot dogs. Which country do you live?
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
I live in Atlanta.
Oh, I like it. I've been there one time.
Okay. Have you ever been to Jamaica though?
I've been Ocho Rios many times. Many times. Do you know the island? Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Ocho Rios is not an island, it's a country.
Ocho Rios is country? You know the Jamaica, Ocho Rios. Is it country or that's from Jamaica? Have you been Ocho Rios? Jamaica?
I don't like Jamaica.
Oh, I really enjoy. I've been many times.
So that's why I migrated to Atlanta.
Jamaica is better than Atlanta.
No.
Yes.
No.
But listen, I've been Jamaica. If you leave Jamaica, Jamaican people is not exactly happy because they don't have money. Okay, the economy is horrible. But if you have money, Jamaica is like excellent. Yani depends about your economy.
Depends you.
If you have money, is Jamaica is better than Atlanta?
Mm-hmm.
Is it agreed?
Depends you.
Huh?
Depends you.
What did you say?
Depends you.
Okay, I didn't understand.
Depends.
Depends. No, guys, Jamaica has beautiful.
Can I say depends you?
Beautiful sea. You know the sea, fish. The water is always summer. Yes.
It's a nice tropical. It's a nice tropical island. Just gonna say depends you. Is that even a word? My spit choked me. Musa.
Hold on.
Musa.
Hold on.
Musa.
No, I am. Yellow, Memo, are you here? Memo, Yellow.
Musa.
Hold on. I need to call somebody. Importante. Something. I have to go, okay? I have to go. Hello, Kelly. Hello?
Because I said I don't like it here. I did say it. I don't like it here. I don't like it here. I don't like it here.
You don't like the kick, you are saying?
I hate the kick.
Oh.
Yeah.
Please.
Are you going back to Twitch or not? Let me know now.
Oh my gosh, Twitch, I do only 2 hours. This is my main account at the kick.
Chat me can't snipe.
Yellow, please open the Kelly. Did you block or somebody block you?
Yeah.
Who blocked you?
I don't know.
Something missed, something wrong. Yani Kelly, please look. I am you know this is important. Give me just 1 second. I am gonna turn off the
Snipe chat. Snipe.
Give me 1 second. I need to turn off the TikTok. 1 second. Okay. I have to turn off the TikTok. You know, follow me, please. Follow me. I have to go. Okay. Bye.
Follow me back.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Are you gonna be back on Twitch or not?
No. Hold on.
Just tell me the truth.
No, I am not.
Don't wanna full of problem, me. 100 tank a grams tank. Them full of problem, me, man. Musa. Grams tank, you wanna play one game with him. No. Okay, we'll try Puri. We don't know if Puri have a problem. Thank you, Gramps. Thank you, Andrew. Chat, thanks. So I was directly saying something. Him say I come off live and him not gone, what a wicked What a wicked man. Infeliz man, yeah. Grams, thank you. Thanks, Strad. What did I gonna say again? But the word I used a while ago, is it even a word? Who remember what I said a while ago? If it's in a word, Chad? If it's even a word, what did I say? Yeah, that word. If it's a word, depends. Is that even a word? It's a question. If it's even a word. What do the testament of follow Jamaican again? Nope. My father said nope. Boy. Chop moderator, tell the girl, this is the girl in the box, take her out. Come here, girl, don't come over here. Come on, America, beg me come to beg. Miss, don't come over here. No send me a request like me on her friend. Moderator, the girl in the box, take her out. You can't find a good game chat. How we are trying to go up there. You know, so we are at the university gallery. For somebody will love you, I'll go by with that. It is a Latina word. I don't even think that word is that even a word. No, it's true. See my local friend here. Can't see in the box anymore.
You, darling. How are you, my love?
How are you, baby?
No me touches up your fucking bro. You're
No,
fucking
shut
bro.
up.
Down, bro.
No, wait.
Bro, down.
No, wait.
You don't have no manners. Of course, you can't see United. You have full access. You have, I say, me a black somebody, you have full access. All my have full access, Andrew, you can't see it. Probably you don't know if you do it. A black somebody them too much.
He's crazy, baby. You know, you my love, baby. He's crazy, okay?
You play match?
Yeah, baby, of course. I play match. How are you doing? How are you? Hey, you are rich, darling. I love it, your energy. I see your video. I love it. I see your boyfriend. Oh, my God, you diva. I watch your video. Oh, my God, you're my girl. I love it. I love it when you sing with the romantic St. Valentine's Day. I love it, your energy. I love it, everything. I see you.
You want to play a match?
Scorpio, you're powerful, lady. I know have too much power. You are powerful. I see your video. You are. What's going on?
I don't know.
Can you send it? Maybe you have it too much. Can you send it for me, please? Okay.
I send it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like your video. You say, "Oh my gosh." I like your video. I see you are in the sea. You drink champagne. Diva. Okay, I'm ready to.
So you saw my video with me in the sea drinking champagne with my man.
I got you. I love it. He say, I'm here with my preferred lady in the world. Say something over there. Come on, my.
It was Valentine's Day.
I love it. I love you drink. Your boyfriend, he not drink everything. You live quickly. You say, dang girl, you don't play game with the champagne. I love it. I watch as well. And what another? Oh, the dinner, romantic dinner in one place is spectacular. I love it. Can you walk in with your husband in one beautiful place? It's in the water. You know that?
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Congratulations. Okay, pero I want to see the people can give you something gift, okay? Gente, denle toda la patada, compartan el envío que lo valgo, soy virgen. Show me you powerful girl. I don't have a time for too much. Show me you are queen, okay?
You want me to show you my chat?
Of course, yeah. Please show me your power. I want to see. You are drama queen. Show me. Show me this moment, darling. Show me.
Show me your power, please.
That's what Apple show powers.
Okay, show me. I love you accent Bridgie. I love you accent Bridgie. Say Alita. I guess quatre. I love it. I love it, that darling. But I see, but why the people don't send a gift with me? Because I watch another battle, you have it 20,000 point. Now, you don't have it too much now.
Who, me?
You wasn't another battle with another person. You was powerful.
Oh, so you're saying I was in another battle with another person.
Yeah, you have it too much point. You know what? The people are saying nothing. Oh, I got you. Thank you. You are powerful. Compártanle el video que lo valgo, gente.
No waiting on the speed, I think.
Ingres y Barrera dice, ay, shut the fuck up.
The man say we're powerful and we're not sure we're powers. It's not look good, with portfolio. It's not look good. So we career.
Burley, she is from Jamaica. She's really popular. But she's diva. I don't care what she say. I hate this girl. She says she is the drama queen of the world. I don't know what's going on with this girl. It's a little crazy.
Check out with your gloves.
I don't know what's the deal with this girl. You feeling you are the queen of the world, yes? You feel that? You are? Mm-hmm. You are the queen? I know that you feeling you're the best in the world. You are not. You are so sweet, baby. I love your energy. Vamos, gente. She is really famous, yes. She's really famous in Jamaica, really popular.
Chat, focus.
Mommy, you are really popular in Jamaica, yeah? Really popular.
Yeah.
Are you living in Montego Bay, baby? I love it.